Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and I'm so happy that you guys are here with me today. And for you, my first time viewers that are joining me for the very first time, welcome. I'm happy that you're here with me. Guys, today I am making that delicious, tasty Japanese dressing. You know, that ginger dressing. I have been trying to make this dressing forever and I kept coming up short, like something missing from it. What is it? Because you know, when you go to the Japanese restaurant and you order your salad and you get a dressing, I order salad just because I want the dressing, and I asked them for extra dressings I could take it home because I've been trying to make this dressing. And finally I find the recipe and I realized that they were wanting this from my recipe. So, as usual, I will be showing you all my ingredients that make this tasty, delicious Japanese dressing. I think that is one of the best dressing ever made. So let me begin. So guys, here are all my ingredients. So I have here black pepper. This is 1/4 teaspoon. And this is 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, and this is 1 teaspoon of garlic. Now we have water, we have ketchup, and we have lemon, we have soy sauce, we have sugar, and we have rice vinegar, ginger that I already grated, onions that I chopped up, carrot that I grated, celery, and that one ingredient that always missing out of mine, peanut oil. And this is water. So this is all that made this famous delicious ginger dressing. I will put the ginger and the onion and the carrot and the celery and the garlic in my food processor to them out before I put in all the liquid after. So now I will be placing the ginger, the carrot, and the celery, and the onion, and the garlic in my food processor. So now, as you see, I just add the peanut oil while it's still, the processor is still going. So now I'm going to add my vinegar and all the other delicious things in it. Okay, now I'm gonna get my salad and try this. Okay, so I cannot wait to try this. As they said, first you don't succeed, try and try again. guys, this tastes so good. You know what? The food processor take so the ginger and the carrot, you don't taste the fragrance of the carrot anymore. The first time I did it, I just put them in my blender. This is why I put them in my food processor this time. And also I made sure that I grated them so they were much more refiner. Now it's super refined. The vegetables, the dressing, the dressing tastes so sweet. I love it. Well, this is it. As I said, try and try again. If first it don't succeed, try and try again. This dressing, is so beautiful. It's rich and creamy. This is amazing. I'm so glad that I finally accomplished this, you know, because I have made this so many times and failed, and I was like, no way, I have to get this dressing. Each time I get my salad from the Japanese restaurant, so I could taste the dressing again and try to replicate mine, and this is replicate. This is completely, this is a success. So, of course, everything will be in my description box. What you can do when you make yours, simply put it in your fridge for, it can last in your fridge for up to a week. But if you want it to last longer, it's best to put it in your freezer, and you can just take it out the night before you use it. Like you want to use it tomorrow, you take it out tonight so it can charge, so it can last longer. So that's what I'm going to do with mine. Probably not, because I'm going to eat salad every day. But at least I know, like, you know, I can just put it in my freezer so it can last longer. This is so good. I just love this, and no need to buy any dressing when you can make your own, right? Now for you guys, if you are new to my channel and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and give me thumbs up and share my videos and leave me a comment below, because I love reading comment. And if you have a request or anything that you'd like me to make, just send me a comment and I'll happily make it for you within reasonable though. So this is all for today. By the way, my new website is up. It's in the description box, the link to my new website. I want you guys to check out my website. I will be writing blogs on my website, like a monthly blog, and I wait to see you in my next video.